Hello everyone. In this video I'll discuss about the activity graph of linear equations in two variable. Now objective of this activity is equal to obtain a linear equation and draw a graph which represent the linear equations. Prerequisite knowledge concept of linear equation to represent the coordinate on the Cartesian plane. For this activity, material required are graph paper, pens, pencil, erasers and rulers. Procedure. Now let us consider a situation. Suppose you have 60 rupees to spend. You went to a stationery shop to buy some pencils and some pen. Cost of one pencil is rupees 2 and the cost of a one pen is rupees 4. Find the number of pencils and pens bought by you from the shop. Now procedure. Consider a linear equation in two variables. Let the number of pencils be x and the number of pens be y. Cost of one pencil is equal to 2 rupees. So since the number of pen is x, so total cost of x pencil is equal to 2x rupees. Cost of one pen is equal to rupees 4. So number of pens is y rupees. So total cost of y pens is equal to 4y. So total cost of x pencil and y pens is equal to 2x plus 4y. So according to the given situations, 2x plus 4y is equal to 60. Now we have to represent the situation on the graph paper. So for this, let us find the at least two pair of values of x and y. So by taking different values of x, we get different values of y. Now let us put the different values of x, we will get the different values of y. After putting x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 15 and x is equal to 2, we will get y is equal to 14. For x is equal to 4, y is equal to 13. Now we will plot the points 0, 15, 2, 14 and 4, 13. Now for this, let us take a graph paper and paste it on the white sheet of paper. Draw two mutually perpendicular lines on the graph paper. Name it as XOX dash and YOY dash. Intersecting point will consider as the origin, 0. Now let us choose the scale. On x-axis, 1 big division is equal to 2 units and y-axis, 1 big division is equal to 2 units. Now we will plot the point 0, 15. Now since x coordinate is 0, 0, 15 lies on the y-axis. So 1 big division is equal to 2 units. So we will represent 15. So 15 is equal to 2 big division and 7 small division. So starting from the 0, we will move 7 big division and 5 small division. Then we will plot a point on the y-axis, name it as A0, 15. Next we will plot the point 2, 14. Since x coordinate is 2, we have already considered in x-axis 1 big division is equal to 2 unit. So starting from 0, we will move 1 big division and we will reach at 2. Then above x-axis, we will move 7 big division and will reach at 2, 14. Name it as B. Then join the point A and B. First plotting the point, minimum at least 2 points you will plot. Then after plotting the point, you will join the point. You will get the linear equation in two variable. So the linear graph of the linear equation in two variable is always a straight lines. You observe that for the given equation, we will get a straight line. So this line intersect the x-axis at point 30 and y-axis at 0, 15. When you plot a point, always The graph is a straight line. So thank you. Have a nice day.